The town of Allen in Samar is among the areas along the path of the weather disturbance. As early as yesterday, several residents of the coastal town have started moving to safer grounds or were making sure that their houses can withstand the fury of Typhoon Ruby. Haji Camino had an interview with some Allen residents and he filed this report.
Entrepreneur Ting Tan doesn't want to experience once again the devastation caused by Typhoon Yolanda last year. Though Typhoon Ruby, on the other hand, is yet to hit eastern Visayas, Ting already prepared for its strength.
Ano na kami, preparasyon para itutukod namin kasi natamaan na kami ng last typhoon na super, si Yolanda. Nag-iba ito lahat, lumipad. Kaya nag-prepare na kami matukuran yung sa ilalim yung
Like Ting, residents from Allen Samar are also scared of what Typhoon Ruby might do to them. They still don't know what to do when Ruby hits Allen. This is because it has been 20 years since a strong typhoon hit their coastal town directly. The local government has already implemented forced evacuation, but the problem is they still can't determine what areas are safe for the people. 80% of Allen are coastal areas which are prone to storm surges. But Allen Mayor Rod Suwan said they'll do everything to ensure the safety of their residents.
Ang problema ko, port town kami. 12 Roro vessels flying Allen Matug route. So yung town namin yung naging lifeline ng Yolanda. Kaya ng relief galing ng Luzon. Okay. Okay. So okay naman yung marina, yung PPA, pull out na yung mga shipping lines. Wala na kaming biyahe. So gagawin namin ngayon, lahat ng mga bus companies, buses, trackings, pababalikin namin. Hindi namin sila ipapa-standby sa ports. Baka lang magka-storm surge. Pag lumaki yung tubig, ako problema.
Punto kami doon sa taas ng bundok. Kung baka umano yung dagat.
Suwan called on middle to upper class families who live in big houses to let their neighborhood who reside near the shoreline to come in once the typhoon hits. Rescue units of AFP and PNP are on full alert as well as other concerned officials. Food packs are also set for evacuees.
Pangalawa, yung papakain sa mga pasayeros. So nakikusap kami sa mga bus companies na wag muna pumunta ng Allen. Anyway, wala namang biyahe. So siguro mag-coordinate yung NDRRMC na i-inform ang mga bus companies na wag nang bumiyahe. Kasi may mga umaalis pa eh. So pagdating dito, natatrap sa Allen. So problema namin. Pinoproblema ko pa yung constituents ko, puproblemahin ko pa ang mga pasayeros. So ginagawa namin, inutusan ko si Chief na papulautin yung mga sasakyan, pati light cars, paalisin outside ng territorial jurisdiction ng Allen.
With Marlon Guardiario and Joel Mamaril for the People's Television Network, Haji Camino, Samar.